Hi lovely people, how are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the limited edition Play Smarts by Sephora. This was $20. This came out, I believe, last month in June, and I wasn't going to unbox it because I had this for a while, but when I looked on the website, they still have these available, and there is definitely a reason why. So I figured, why not unbox it? But if you are new to my channel, I do have a 5K giveaway going on right now, and I will leave it up above and down below. We will have 3 winners, so that is exciting. Anyway, let's just jump right into this. I do know what's in here because it doesn't come with prices, so I wanted to look up everything and then go by the value and see if it was worth it. All right, so the first thing comes with these cards, and these cards here tell you what everything is. And the theme for this limited edition box was glitter eyes for real life. So all I seen was glitter eyes, and I bought it before I looked at any of the reviews. So that's why I got it. And it does come with this really pretty sequence bag. And so it's the bags that when you go like this, you know, it changes. So I think that's really pretty. I do like the bag. So let's just take these cards out and let's just begin. Let me dump everything out. Okay. Do I got everything? Yeah. All right. So the first thing we got is by Bite Beauty. And would you look how teeny tiny this is? This is really, really small. I used to get the regular Sephora Play, the subscription I got every month, that is $10. And I stopped getting that because, yes, you did get high-end things to try, but the samples were like getting smaller and smaller. So, and it's only $10, I know, but I look at Ipsy and I'm like, that's $10 and you get full-size things sometimes and the samples are better. So I just stayed with Ipsy. So this little sample, now you do get a lot. I mean, you do get a lot in here. And this would be valued at $11.22 for just this size. And what this is, let's see what it says. It just says you can apply to your lids, cheeks, or lips directly from tube with or without your finger. So I'm gonna swatch it, and it is quite pretty. It has like a brownish, and then if you kind of look in the light, sometimes you will see like a pink, if you guys can say that right there. So this is perfect for, you can wear it as an eyeshadow, you can put it on your lips, you can put it on top of a matte lipstick. It's really gorgeous. I'm not gonna say that it's not. And you do get a lot of products, and this will last a while, but it is, they say it's valued at $11.22. Okay, moving on. The next thing we got is from Ole Hendrickson. Sorry about that. And what is this? This is a Banana Bright Eye Cream. And this is even smaller. And they say this is valued at $7.60. I should have wrote down what the full-size prices would be, but I mean, look at this. Now, you don't need that much for eye cream, so I get it, but it's not even like filled up, you know, and I don't know why I smelled it. It is very thick, and a little bit does go a long way, and I mean, it is a nice cream, but it's just so tiny. So, moving on. Okay, the next thing we got is a Sephora eyeliner in black, and I believe everybody got black. These used to come in the $10 bags, the regular Sephora Play bags, and this is valued at $4.25, and I have so many eyeliners, I will definitely put this in a giveaway. So then we got, this is my favorite mascara. I had that on my eyes today, if you can see. And this is by Benefit. This is, I always say it wrong. This is the Big Gal Bang. And I'm not going to open it up because I have a couple already opened. Now, a lot of people don't like this because it does clump. But the key is not to go in with more than 2 coats. And I really like this. And this is $8. The full size, I know for a fact, is $24. Then you can get like a bigger sample than this for $12 at Ulta. And this is a little bit smaller than that, and this is $8. Okay. The next thing we got, which this is nice. Look how small this is. So these are the Stila glitters. This is in Kitten Karma. Now I don't have this one and I wanted to get this one. I do know these are like, what, almost $30 full size. This is valued at $4.69. But if you can see how small that is. And it's not even filled up all the way, you figure, because you have the little wand that is pushed in there. So if you take it out, I mean, because when you push it down, it makes it look like it's more. It's not, but this is really pretty. And I don't want to give too much of a sample to show you guys. I mean, it's really pretty. And you don't need a whole lot for your eyes, but you could probably use this a few times on your eyes, and that's it. Like I said, the value is $4.69. And then last but not least, this kind of makes the bag. So this is a half size from the full size, and this is valued, this sample right here is valued at $32.50. So the full size is close to $70. So this is extremely small. And what this is by Grand Cosmetics, and this is like a lash serum. So it still has the like plastic on here. But what this is, before you go to bed, you would just put the little lash thing right here, like where your eyelashes start to grow, and it's supposed to help with your lashes. But this little thing is $32. The only thing is with stuff like this, it does work, but you have to keep using it. So you have to keep buying it. It's kind of like hair vitamins and different things, or like if people take diet pills and they think it's all working. Once you stop using this, it's not going to work anymore. So that's the only thing with that. But I do hear, I haven't tried this myself, but everybody that has tried this said it really does work. It just stops when you stop working. So like I said, that was the big value, the $32.50. So when the theme was glitter eyes, I thought, you know, stuff like this, a lot of glitter. But this was really the only thing that was glitter. So I don't know why they themed it that. Anyway, enough of that. So like I said, I paid $20 and the total value came to $68.16. So you do get about $40 extra that you're paying, but is it worth it? I mean, they claim what the prices would be, but this is like very, very tiny, and it's enough for you to try to see if you like it. I do like this, but this is like, I'll take it out the thing. This is like a really small sample. Like that's smaller than the one that you can get for $12. So that's not gonna last long. You have this little teeny tiny eye serum, eye cream. And like I said, you don't need a lot because it is eye cream. And then you got this, and I know for a fact I did get this a couple times with the $10 Sephora Play. But it's like, if this is your brand, this is a Sephora brand. If this is your brand, and this is a $20 limited edition, why didn't they put a full-size one in? You know what I mean? I don't know. But yeah, so let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this? It is still available if you want to try it for yourself. I'm kind of disappointed in it, and it could be maybe because I'm expecting more and more glitter stuff. I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this. Did you get this? If you didn't, will you be getting this? Let me know, and don't forget to enter my 5K giveaway, and I will leave more videos right here in case you want to check them out. And guys, until my next video, bye.